Hello everyone and welcome back again to On How channel. My name is Anas and I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video I will show you how to set up and create discount code on Shopify store. And this is the step-by-step tutorial. I will explain each type of discount code on Shopify store and how to create them and when you should create each one of them. And after watching this video, you will understand each type of discount code on Shopify, as well as when you should exactly use each one of these, and including obviously how to set up this discount code on how to use them and so on. And in my next video, I will show you how to show discounts on your Shopify product page, because that's really important, and using discount code can really higher or raise your conversion rate, especially if you are doing advertisements on Facebook or TikTok or Instagram. Using discount code can convince customers to buy from your store, obviously, and especially if you can time them really good. Using an event like today is the 1st April, which is April Fools, you can capitalize on that and create a discount code especially for the event and promote it to the right audience. If you are interested in how to target the right audience for Facebook ads, make sure to check out my channel, because I did make that video as well and it's really good. I did show some unique tricks. A lot of people like them and thank me actually for them. And as well as Black Friday, for example, Black Friday, you can create a discount code only for Black Friday, customizable with the name for Black Friday, including number for percentage or the amount that will be discounted from the product, and so on. That's not the only cases where you can use discount code. That's just the examples that come up to my mind right now. But let's just quit talking and let's just get to it. So as you can see, I'm accessing the Shopify dashboard right now. And right now, simply hit over to the discount section right here at the top left corner as the last one. So simply click on it and you will see the list should be empty actually. However, I do have some discount code. And by the way, this discount code was created by an app for reviews. And what I mean by that is an app for reviews with pictures on them. You know, the reviews with pictures, not just text, pictures for the product that customers did buy. And what that has to do with this discount code, well, the app will let you offer your customers a discount code wherever they submit a review. And not just any review, reviews with pictures. If they did a review only with text, it will tell them, hey, upload a picture of the product that you did buy and you can get a 15 or 10% or 20% a discount code for your next order. That's really good. And they will be created automatically, so you don't have to keep track of each review and go to discount and create discount for it. They will be created automatically. And those discounts right here, they were created automatically by the app for the reviews. And if you are interested in how to do that, make sure to check out my channel as well, because I did make that video. And right now, let's just hit over and explain how to use discount code or how to create them and set up them correctly. And in my next video, as I said, I will show you how to show the discounts on your product page. And the first thing you're going to do is obviously click on create discounts. Simply click on it at the top right corner and you will see 4 options. Amount of products, amount of order, buy X, get Y, and free shipping, which is the discount based on shipping. So the first one is, obviously, it's really obvious, I don't have to explain it, which is amount of products. So a discount for a particular product, and you can customize this for either a fixed price on the product or a percentage. And the next one is amount of order. So no matter how many products the customer buys, he can add a discount code and it will be discounted from the total price. For example, if he did buy 3 products for $50 each, that's like $150, and the discount that you did create of the order, obviously this option is 10%. That will save the customer $50 on their order, which is like will be like $135. So they will pay $135 instead of $150. And the next option is buy X get Y, which is really obvious. For example, if you offer a bundle products, they can buy 2 products and they will get 1 free, or they will buy a product and they will get like 20 or 50% off another product. That's really good if you are doing a bundle products, promotions and so on. So that's really good for that particular case. And the last one is the free shipping, which is obviously you will offer free shipping for customers that buy a product. So let's just go for the second one, which is order discount. And I will explain each option when creating the discount, when you should use them and when you should not. So let's just click on it. And after that, you should see the first option, which is the method. The method for the discount, which is discount code or automatic discount. Automatic discount doesn't require adding any discount code in the checkout process. And I do recommend this if you are using influencer marketing. For example, you are working with some influencer on Instagram or TikTok, and you can offer them automatic discounts, and the influencer, will actually promote the product with the automatic discount, and they will mention to their audience that the product is discounted by 20% or 30% or whatever the case is. And the first one, which is the discount code, if you are doing a self-promotion or you are doing ads on Facebook or TikTok, then you can create a discount code and put it on the creatives for the ads. Just the text or picture, you can mention it's a 10% or 15% off. However, that will require adding a discount code on the checkout. So each one of these are really good for a particular case. So let's just go for a discount code. And in here, you can create how you want the discount to look like or what the discount code should be. For example, you can create it under any name. It should be obviously your Shopify store's name or your brand name or whatever the case is. In my case, or you can generate, and they will generate a random discount code. However, I don't really like this and you should use it. Unless you are really lazy, just start typing something in here, then use the generate option. However, I do recommend you to keep it branded. And in my case, I'm going to on how 10. So that's 10 like this. So that's really obvious that the discount will have 10%. Or you can even add the percent icon or the letter. I don't know what this called. I'm sorry, I'm not really an English native speaker, so I don't know what this called, a letter or an icon. Or I will remember what it's called after I start editing this video. But when I'm recording and talking, I will not remember it. And that's always happens to me. So I apologize in advance. Anyway, so obviously the discount will be 10%. And this name right here is the brand name. And that's how the discount code for your Shopify store should look like. And if you are just launching your store, and this is just like the first week of the launch, you can create the newcomers or welcome. For example, welcome 10%, which is a welcome discount code for customers that just discovering your Shopify store. And I will show you how to create this like welcome 10%, and they will have an expire date. So after a week or 2 weeks of the launch, the discount code will expire and not work anymore. However, for my case, it's a branded one, so I'm going to keep it as on how 10%, just like this. And on the right here, you should see summary for each thing that you did customize or enable for these options. And below it right here, you should see the value, which is the percentage or fixed amount. Fixed amount is obviously based on the currency you are using in Shopify store. For example, if it's dollars and you pick a fixed amount, you can pick the amount that you want to be discounted from the order. For example, $10 or $20. However, I do recommend you to keep it as percentage, because for this case, we did use the order discount, and the order discount obviously will be for all the products in a single order. So $20 in this case, if the customer did buy like $200 of items from your Shopify store, and you would only offer him a $20 off, that's really bad and you shouldn't do that. So keep it as percentage, and the percentage will be the same for each amount. And as I said, this is for discount order type. So let's just keep it as percentage, and let's just go for 20, for example. And I forgot to add here 20 actually. So 20% is the percentage value for the discount. And below it right here, the minimum purchase requirements. For example, any order at any amount, the discount will be working for it. If you pick the minimum purchase amount, in here, you will type in, for example, 50, and if the order does not exceed $50, the discount code should not be working. And the option below it, which is the minimum quantity of items, if you go for it, that means how many products in a single order. If the order is just like one, for example, discount code will not be working for the customer. He needs to buy at least 2, for example, then a discount code will be working. However, if you're doing the order discount, make sure you keep it as no minimum. And I think most dropshippers will do so, unless you are running a brand and you already have customers. And below it, the customer eligibility. So in here, you can apply discount code for all customers or a specific customer segments. For example, a specific customer segments, if you click on browse right here, and it will show you some segments for customers. For example, abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days. People that did abandon the checkouts in the last 30 days, they will have the discount for 20% off. And the second one, which is email subscribers, and people that did subscribe to the email newsletter on your Shopify store, they will get the discount only. And the customers who haven't purchased it yet from Shopify store, which is the newcomers, or customers who have purchased more than once, which is the loyal ones. And if you did pick email subscribers, I do recommend you to pick as well customers who have purchased more than once, because it's not fair to offer discount for email subscribers and do not offer it for loyal customers. Email subscribers doesn't mean it's actually a loyal customer, right? And let's just keep these two together and click on add. And right now we did add the customer eligibility, which is two options: email subscribers or customers who have purchased more than once, which is loyal customers. And below it right here, maximum discount uses. You can limit the number of discounts can be used in total. And for example, what I mean by total is actually across all customers. For example, if you pick like 10, the order or the discount, will only be working for 10 orders maximum. And below it right here, limit to 1 use per customer, which is if you want to limit the use 1 time per customer. If you have a really big discount like 30% or 40%, I would recommend you to go for this option, because that will stop you from losing money, obviously. And that will limit the discount code to only be used 1 time per customer. And below it right here, combinations. Because we did go for an order discount, you can combine, if you have a shipping discounts, you can combine them together. So the customer that can benefit from the on how 20%, he can benefit from the shipping discount as well. And this is really good if you are doing the bundle products, as I said. And below it right here, the active dates and where should the discount should be started at, and the start time, and you can set the end dates, which is where the discount will be expired in. If I click and set the end dates, then like let's just go for the 2nd April, and in here let's just go for this date exactly. So the discount code I did create right now will only be live for 1 day. After that, discount code will expire and customers will not be able to use it. Let's just hit back in here, and the summary, it will show you all the options that you did select for the discount code, which is an amount of order, and it has a code in it, which is on how 20%, and it's actually 20% of the entire order, no matter how many products in it, and no minimum purchase requirements. And for 2 customer segments, which is we did select to email subscribers or customers who have purchased more than once, and 1 time per customer, and we did not combine it with other discounts, and it will only be alive from today until 2 April, which is 2 days. And this is the 1st April, and this is not a joke. Everything I showed you in this video, it's real and working just fine. And let's just do the last thing in this video, which is clicking on the save button right here. So just click on save, and the discount code will be created, and you can actually get a shareable link, so you can share it on your social media or your emails or whatever you want to do. You can get, for example, if you click on get shared, it will show you, as you can see, the Shopify store right here, and the discount right here should be. You can copy the link and share it with your customers on social media or emails or whatever you do. And if we get back in here, it will be visible right here, as you can see, on how 20%. And as I said again in the beginning of the video, I'm working for you. So if you have any video requests or any questions, make sure to drop them below in the comment, or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment as well as messages on my Instagram. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.